In this tutorial, learn how to create 320 by 50 text banner ads, no design skills needed. To get started, make sure your campaign includes at least one mobile ad group. From your campaign dashboard, click Manage Creatives to open your creative dashboard. Locate your mobile ad group. You'll see suggested size slots like 300 by 250 or 320 by 50. Click Add Creative under any image slot. Select Upload New, then choose Text Banner from the top menu. Don't worry about pre-filled size names. The builder defaults to creating a 320 by 50 banner. First, enter a creative name. We suggest including Text Banner so it's easy to identify in performance reports. Next, add your destination website URL. Now for the design. Choose a solid color or an uploaded image. For solid backgrounds, use the color picker or paste your color code. To use an image or GIF, select Image from the drop-down and upload a 320 by 50 file. You can also upload an optional logo. Next, enter your business name and caption. To change the text color for either field, click the color circle located directly to the left of the input box, which is set to white by default. Just like your background setup, you can drag to pick a shade, use the eyedropper, or paste a specific color code. To make your caption pop, toggle on scrolling. And if you're driving foot traffic to a physical location, toggle on Show Distance from Location to add a dynamic distance overlay. Once you're happy with your preview, click Add at the top right of the window. Interested in learning more? Check help.groundtruth.com.